Welcome. We are following this book. Our today's lecture one summary of cost classifications and identify and give examples of each of the three basic manufacturing cost categories. So here today we discuss on accounting costs for manufacturing companies. Here in manufacturing companies we have two categories of costs, manufacturing cost and non-manufacturing cost. And in manufacturing cost we have direct materials, direct labor, manufacturing overhead, and non-manufacturing cost, selling cost and administrative cost. Okay, so here for proper understanding we can show an example. This means this is warehouse and this is factory in Savar. And warehouse, the raw materials warehouse, we are sending our raw materials to factory. So in factory we have a lot of machines, and by using lot of machines we are getting final product here, and we are keeping the final product here. This is we call the finished goods warehouse. That means finished goods warehouse. Please look here. This is the raw materials warehouse and sending raw materials in the factory, and this is the various machine 1, various machine in 2, various machine 3, various machine 4, various machine 5. So we are using these machines to get the final product. Okay, so here first one, uh, all three cost, direct material, direct labor and manufacturing overhead, just collectively we call it, this is the manufacturing cost. So first one, the direct materials. So we call here the materials, this is the materials, raw materials go into the final product, this is we are getting the final product, so are called raw material. That means these materials we call the raw materials, and we call also direct materials. Number second, direct labor. You know that when we produce our products, produce our units, we need labor cost. So this is we call the direct labor cost, and sometimes labor cost we call the task cost. So here consists of labor cost that can be easily traced to individual units of product, and it's sometimes called task labor because direct labor workers typically task product while it is being made. Okay, and number three, manufacturing overhead. That means other than direct materials and labor, we call this is the manufacturing overhead. Okay, so includes all manufacturing cost except direct materials and direct labor. We call this is the manufacturing overhead. That means we can set up example of manufacturing overhead. This is manufacturing overhead. That means this is the factory. In factory, other than material and labor, other than direct material and labor, we call this is the manufacturing overhead cost. That means indirect labor, indirect materials, maintenance and repairs on production equipment, heat and light, property tax, depreciation, insurance on manufacturing facilities, all are examples of manufacturing overhead cost. Okay, so this is the manufacturing overhead. Now we can proceed our next slide. The various names are used in manufacturing overhead. So this is the indirect manufacturing, factory overhead, factory burden. Okay, now the non-manufacturing cost. So earlier we have discussed on manufacturing cost, that means material, labor and factory overhead. So now the non-manufacturing, these three, one, materials, labor and factory overhead, this is the manufacturing cost. And non-manufacturing cost, two types, the selling cost, that means we are keeping our goods in the warehouse, this is the finished goods warehouse. Okay, so when we sell our goods to customer, that times the selling related we need some cost, we call this is the selling cost. And suppose our head office in Motijil, this is Savar, Dhaka, and this is the Motijil Dhaka. So here uh, in Motizil we need some administrative cost or head office. This is Motizil, our head office. So we need some administrative cost in our head office related. Here selling cost include all costs that are incurred to secure customer orders, get the finished product to the customers. Okay, and administrative cost, that means includes all costs associated with the general management of an organization rather than manufacturing or selling. This is our manufacturing cost, three types, and this is our selling cost. Okay, other than this, manufacturing and selling all cost includes in our administrative cost. We can set up example now. This is our selling cost example. Advertising, shipping, sales travels, sales commission, sales salaries, cost of finished goods, warehouse, etc. Our administrative cost example: executive compensations, general accounting, secretarial, uh, public relations. Similar cost involved in the overall and general administration of the organization as a whole. We call this is the administrative cost example. That's all. Our next lecture on understand cost classification used to prepare financial statements, product cost and period cost. Okay, thanks.